Okay, so right now you should be seeing my screen right there and me at the same time. What I've done right here is I have found somebody's video on Flipgrid, and what I'm doing is I have clicked on the reply button right beneath their video. There's a little discussion, little bubble or whatever you want to call it there. So I clicked on that, and now I'm actually replying um, to the video. So I'm going to do a real quick one right here so I can step you through how to share that video with me, share your response to somebody else's video so I can give you credit for any discussions that you might get points for when having discussions like this if we're going to use Flipgrid. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So what I would do is I would go ahead and click on this record button. And I'm now recording this video. Not sure what's going to happen since I'm recording two things at the same time, but I'm recording this video. I'm saying, hey, I loved your video, loved your discussion of, blah, blah, blah. You're recording your response to another student so we can have that discussion. Then I would go ahead and say pause right here. Okay, I like my video, great, click on next. Do any trimming here or whatever, whatever is required. Keep clicking on next right there. Take your selfie. Hey, there we go. Okay. Click on next. And then we get to the last point here. I may pause this if this takes too long, but we get to the last window, and there's a share button for your video, your response, your reply that you just recorded. So I may be able to do that right here. So I'd say, okay, this is Professor Zone, that's me, submit my video, and then here's a direct link to your video. So you could just probably right click on here and say copy link, or you could just click on it and then copy it from up here. I could also say, after I click on complete, I can click down on my video right here. I can say share as well and just say copy this link and then paste that um, to share that with me, like in the comment section um, of the class where we submit our assignments. All right, thank you very much.